A warm welcome to all the learners around here. Welcome to a new episode on the topic marketing feasibility. In the last video, we saw the types of feasibility studies which an entrepreneur should undertake before launching a new product. The types of feasibility which we covered are marketing feasibility, financial and economic feasibility, technical feasibility, managerial feasibility, and legal feasibility. Among these, marketing feasibility assumes utmost importance. In this video, we will be learning marketing feasibility in detail. Marketing feasibility is a study that identifies the success of a product in a particular market. It examines the target market, customer demand, competition, and market trends to assess whether there is demand for the proposed product or service. In a survey, it was found that 80% of the products do not meet the expectations of the customers, and such products are only a failure. The cost of developing a new product and introducing it in the market with the required promotional effort is extremely high. Besides, there is no certainty that the product introduced will be successful. That is why the study of marketing feasibility assumes significance. Let's now understand the stages in the new product development. Basically, there are 8 stages: idea generation, idea screening, concept development and evaluation, business analysis, product development and evaluation, development and evaluation of marketing mix, test marketing, and commercialization of product. First one is idea generation. The idea to generate a new product may emerge from many sources, which may be internal or external. Internal sources are where their own company executives may give valuable ideas, or every company may have their own research and development departments who continually try to find something new or improve their existing products. It may also emerge from external sources like customers who may share their needs and expectations in the new product. It may also come from competitors' products. The suppliers and distributors may also share their thoughts in improving their products. Business ideas may also come from innovations from idea management systems and open innovation strategies to gather wider ideas. For example, the emergence of smartphones. The smartphones are single seamless device which combines a phone, an iPod, and an internet communication device. The next stage is screening. It's not likely that all new product ideas that have been generated will be promising and worth pursuing. Besides, a company cannot afford to pursue too many product ideas simultaneously. The purpose of screening is to evaluate and select the most promising idea of all the new product ideas. And the goal here is to eliminate ideas that are not viable and do not align with the company's objectives. Coca-Cola continuously generates new ideas for its new beverages, but not all of them make it to the market. They conduct continuous screening for new flavors based on market research and consumer preferences before entering into the new market. The third stage is concept development and evaluation. The product ideas are presented to a selected group of target consumers to gather feedback and gauge their level of interest and acceptance. The product ideas have to be developed into product concepts before evaluating their worth and initiating product development. Therefore, a product concept must address the following. The entrepreneur must understand the specific needs of the consumers, the form or the manner in which the product has to be satisfied, like for example, whether it should be in the form of liquid or tablet or powder form or a cream. Also, the price that a customer has to pay to receive these benefits have to be identified. For example, Lego invested in concept testing to reach young girls who were not attracted towards traditional building sets. Lego then introduced Lego Friends, which is a successful line of building set that caters to female demographic. Another important concept here is product positioning. Product positioning is a marketing strategy that defines a product or service place in the market. It explains how a product is unique and better than the competitors' offering. For example, when it is product positioning, Coca-Cola is a pioneer. A very successful example, it is no wonder that the company has been able to survive for more than 125 years. The brand has always tried to bring out the value of happiness, friendship, joy, and sharing to position itself in the market. The next stage is business analysis. At this stage, it is useful to undertake a fairly detailed appraisal of the new product involving financial analysis. By this time, sufficient details about the potential product are known for a detailed evaluation. The critical elements of this appraisal are estimating future sales, cost, profits, and the extent of investment required. This step is a combination of economic and marketing feasibility. For example, when Tesla introduced its new Model 3 electric car, it conducted an extensive business analysis which covered projected sales, production cost, pricing strategies, and expected demand to ensure that the business was financially viable. The next stage is product development and evaluation. Once the product concept has passed the business analysis stage, work can begin to physically develop the product. Usually, this is a long, drawn, and costly process requiring a close coordination between marketing and research departments. This stage involves designing, engineering, and prototyping the product or service. Collaboration between cross functional teams, including research and development, marketing, and production, is crucial here. The sixth stage is development and evaluation of marketing mix. Along with the product development, other elements of marketing mix such as packaging, brand name, final price, channel, and promotional strategies have to be planned here. The seventh stage is test marketing. At this stage, the entire mix, including the product, is tested in selected markets to determine the level of success in regard to the objectives. Test marketing provides an opportunity to test the acceptability of the product and the mix with minimum resource commitment and minimize the risk of failure in the large marketplace. For example, when Netflix was expanded internationally, it made a test marketing in selected countries like Canada and United Kingdom before making a global launch. And the last stage is commercialization of the product. A product reaches the commercialization stage when it is launched in regional or national market. The lessons learned from the test marketing must be implemented to modify and improve the product and the mix. The commercialization may be either phased or the product may be introduced in all the markets simultaneously, depending on the company's plans and resources. For example, McDonald's McFlurry. McDonald introduced its famous dessert McFlurry after successful test marketing in Canada. The commercialization phase involved a nationwide campaign and setting up of McFlurry machines in all the locations. In addition to this, an entrepreneur must consider the following for the feasibility study: product life cycle, demand and supply gap, market structure, and competitive analysis. Product life cycle. It is an analytical tool which can be used by an entrepreneur to take various strategic decisions about the product and the market. Once the product is introduced in the market, it follows a cycle similar to the life cycle of an individual. Demand and supply gap. As a first step, the demand potential is estimated through research using primary and secondary sources of information. If the product is new, the rate of substitution of the existing product is judged and then the demand estimates are made. Forecasting techniques like opinion polling and the statistical methods are used to forecast the existing and potential demand for the product. Market structure. This study is done primarily for entering into the market. It studies various factors like whether the market is fragmented or concentrated, whether it is organized or unorganized, or it has an import and export sector. It also considers the degree of brand loyalty, whether the customers are loyal to their brands or not. And the final factor is competitive analysis. Marketing feasibility studies then identifies the direct and indirect competitors and their strengths and weaknesses. On the basis of this study, the opportunities and threats in the market are also identified. So now we have seen all the important factors which an entrepreneur should keep in mind while conducting a marketing feasibility. Thank you for watching this video.